Yo. Wacht gou even net gou vinnig iets uit die pad kry. Kykie, ek sien 'n reviewer van of 'n crit of 'n rotten tomato, whatsoever means I call it nie. Sorry. Ek is maar net iemand wie se reaksie jy in real time sien. Wie se comments jy hoor, you know? So as dit nou ek is hier om enige rapper af te druk of om 'n negative comment towards jou te gee, maar as ek voel maar jy maar like as ek meen maar as ek voel maar die sien nie, dan gaan ek dit sê, want is my opinie, you know. So rappers nou maar moenie geraak voel as 'n mens nou nie sê dat jou song kwaai is of whatsoever nie, you know. So ek wil maar net daai die pad uit gekry het. Maar welkom terug by die Wild and Paul Reaction Channel, my ma's se kinders. Is altyd lekker om hier in die ateljee te sit. Anyway, baie dankie vir die nuwe subscribers. Ek dink ons is nou by 570 as ek korrek is. Maar anyway, ek het 'n comment gekry waar hulle vir my gesê het, gevra het, kan jy asseblief 'n reaction doen op Don Capo se song Drillers and Dealers. Wat sê hulle hierso? Featuring wie? Featuring Danson en is dit CTT Beats, het die beat gemaakt, featuring 808 Bang. Ek dink hy sê as ek even bang, ek weet ook nie waarvoor dit staan nie. Maar dis die puntie. Kom ons react. Auwe.
Like
808 Bang on
Like
the beat.
got a demon inside me whenever I spit. In my ear be telling me click. On my shoulder he got a grin. In my head voice is telling me spit. Why they this but they never on shit. Up the blick if he flinch I'm a flick. Why these rappers be all in my dick. They wasn't around when I never had shit.
Ek sê Mr. Don, ek kan nie hoor wat jy sê nie meer, bro. Dis niks uit towards jou nie. Maar ek kan nie hoor wat jy sê nie. Ek weet nie of jy iets gesê het, my inner voice is telling me to split, of my invoice of, ek weet nie. Maar regtig my bro, ek kan nie hoor wat jy sê nie. Maar ons gaan in.
Miss when I be in the mix. Ain't gotta say much, they know what it is. You can stand anywhere and get lit. You're only your favorite rapper in the split. See me, you better than last trip. Show me his back, I won't do him like Rick. Show me who's doing it better than this. I was my bro, now I'm going to shorty.
Okay, to say, show me who does it better than this. Okay?
You're baddie, but I do not need her. I might just hit her, but I'll never keep her. I'm in the function, then I got my heater. Don't get the blick, then they shank in my sneaker. Close up and snap, won't break my...
Yo, julle wat die kyk, trip ek. Want ek kan regtig nie lekker hoor, wie is die? Wie is die nou? Maar regtig, ek kan nie hoor wat jy sê nie, Mr. Don.
Leader, in this body, we smoking a reefer. Baby, be out in the girls with a beeper. She really fuck with the drug dealers.
Need gas in Croydon town, you could down man, really made peas in a teacup style man. All from the gas, facts, so I know gas works at our...
Die is seker Danson. Is Danson van die UK? Of is Danson van die Suid-Afrika? Of is Danson ook so, wat sê maar as naam, always the suspect, wat ek dink hulle te sê, always the suspect het opgegroei in Suid-Afrika of opgegroei in UK toe trek hy Suid-Afrika of het opgegroei in Suid-Afrika toe trek hy UK toe. Is hy ook miskien so of is die man regtig van UK?
Hand, but I still do work with a YOLO, really got coke, no Coca-Cola. Pull up in the Rover, kosher, park that brick with jeans and roller. Bro, runner with rocks and it really did hit them. Like a yacht in border. They know about Sunner, I hit them, slanging them packs, no holder. They know that the money isn't anything, me and a dough like home with donuts.
Got a demon inside me whenever I spit. In my ear be telling me click. On my shoulder he got a grin. In my head voice is telling me spit. Why they this but they never on shit. Up the blick if he flinch I'm a flick. Why these rappers be all in my dick. They wasn't around when I never had shit. They can't miss when I be in in the mix. Ain't gotta say much, they know what it is. Like, give us a stand anywhere it get lit. Join your favorite rapper in the split. See when you been in a lab trip. Show me his back, I won't do it like this. Show me who's doing it better than this. I was my bro, now I'm going. En soos van 'n lamp in die spot en dat ook het publiek aan.
Is dit miskien die mixing van die song waar die vocals baie my bro, ek kan nie uitmaak wat iemand sê nie. Is dit die way hoe hy rap? Is dit die way hoe die song gemix en gemaster is? Of wat is die probleem, bro man? En dis my honest comment wat ek kan maak. Ek kan nie hoor wat hy sê nie. No hate. Kijk, jy gaan ook aan mekaar sê van no hate, want het is nie nodig nie. Maar Mr. Don, nee man. Ek weet nie of het jou mixing is wat het miskien so laat klinkie, maar kyk, 'n mens wil mos maar hoor wat is die message wat die MC's wil oordra aan die gehoor. What is the message that you guys want to spread, you know? What is the message? Like, ek weet die title is Drillers and Dealers. Maar ek weet jy.
I'm a dice it, like big blade tucked in the night there. HDD in the school, I don't like them. Seems that they do it in the lights here. Must be dumb if you think I'm gonna fight. Up in the heater, I'm ending this night. Yo, dad, pass me the light. From UK to Cape Town, we doing it right. Like, nah, nothing be nice. Straight from the trip, we been back at the fight. Told my mama it's gonna be alright. Say they want drama, so now it's on sight. But they rap it, I'm still finna slide. Know that the scared we gon' split through the night. When you see how she been in her run, with me outside and they been in her hide. Yeah!
Throw you in the Cape Town, motherfucker.
Kyk, julle kan maar besluit self in die comments. Yo, my bro. Ten minste wil 'n mens kan hoor wat die rapper probeer sê, you know? Ten minste moet jy ten minste hoor. Okay, dis wat hy sê. Miskien het die man nog punchlines ook gehad wat ja, en dis ook die ander ding. Ek gaan nie ja, ek hoef nie daai te sê nie, maar anyway. Miskien het die man nog punchlines ook gehad daar, so maar anyway. Moenie vergeet om te subscribe, maar se kinders. Daai is die move. Walden Paul. Dink my maar se kinders.